Alright guys and gals, so I'm here on my '05 Honda crf450. Just wanted to do a quick walk around pretty much of the Trail Tech high output stator and wiring, you know, so you can run a light on a crf450r. Definitely planning on running a light on mine. I live up in the woods and shit gets pretty dark, so I just wanted to do a little video and show you guys how I got mine in there, because all the videos I've seen are all different models. The newer models or the older models, I mean, stator install and everything's all the same, so that's not what I'm going to show you today. So pretty much just want to show you, they give you this battery pouch, and it has a little battery right in there. Your leads come right out. It says to drill holes in your subframe, but I just zip tied it. It's in there fucking plenty sturdy. Your leads run out. I zip tied them right here, and there's a little tiny fucking hole in there that you can slide them through. And these two wires come off of the harness that comes with the Trail Tech kit. And they just run straight up and plug in to that harness right there that comes out of this big fucking regulator rectifier that they give you. That one I did have to drill a hole. It says to drill 2, but I'm gonna run it with the 1 for now. If I don't get to drill an extra hole, then good. Seems to be on there pretty sturdy. I just tapped it, threw some blue Loctite on it. We'll see how she holds up. But yeah, it's got the what is it, 40-watt stator, and I'm running the Trail Tech flywheel, weighted flywheel. So it puts it up to, I believe, 70 or 90 watt output. Should be more than enough to run whatever light I'm gonna run. But yeah, so these are the new wires from the new stator, and they come right up to plug it in. Just can't pull everything out. I had everything all zip tied already. So pretty much it all plugs right back into where all your stock stuff does. I showed you the harness that Trail Tech gives us, the regulator, and this is the wire for your light. That's supposed to be your AC voltage, I believe. No, DC. Converts it to DC. So that's it. You got 2 prongs there. Then you just ground wherever. But yeah, just want to do a little walk around, show you that. I was looking around for shits and giggles before I put it in, to see how people were running the wires and shit like that. Get ideas, you know how it goes. But yeah, slides in pretty nice. Seems to fit well. Yeah, hopefully we'll get this fucking thing fired up here soon and be able to fucking try her out. Planning on putting either a 7-10 inch light bar right up here on the clamps. Alright guys, we'll keep you posted as we progress. Have a good one.